What's up guys, Billy with Side by Side Stuff, and today we're looking at OE replacement ball joints from rugged ATV UTV. Good ball joints are definitely important, but there's no need to worry about the OEM prices because rugged ATV UTV has you covered. Rugged ATV UTV Products is powered by Demon Power Sports. The rugged brand specializes in OE replacement parts, providing premium components that are built to OEM specifications and are equal or higher in quality. Rugged performance ball joints are designed and built to exceed OEM, and they're meant to be a direct replacement part. Offering more durability, they're made up of chromoly steel and are zinc plated for an enhanced lifespan. They're also heat treated to increase strength and longevity. Rugged OE ball joints are easy to install and backed with a 1-year limited warranty. At Side by Side Stuff, we offer rugged OE upper and lower ball joints for a wide variety of ATV and UTV applications. To purchase rugged OE ball joints or other rugged ATV UTV products, visit sidebysidestuff.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Side by Side Stuff YouTube channel.